Hello, my name is Aaron. I'm here to help a little bit with a screen recording software you may have heard of called Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free little video recorder and editor that you can use to make video, upload to YouTube, and put small minor effects behind. If you want to use it, you can either Google Screencast-O-Matic or you can go straight to its website. You'll see the link down in the description. It's screencast-o-matic.com. The website looks like this, and once you're here, in order to get started, click Start Recording for free. And then make sure you choose your language. In my case, I'll be using English, so Launch Free Recorder, and give it a moment. If you're going to use it, feel free to create an account as well. I already have one for my VTSD address. I'm going to go ahead and save the little launcher. And then when it comes up, you should see it pop up in your bottom of Chrome. But if you're not using Chrome, or if you are just on a separate machine, you'll see it actually comes up with a little icon on the desktop. You can give it a double click, and it will launch the recorder software. Might take a moment. Now, the beauty of this particular recorder is that it's super easy to use. So as you can see on my screen, or hopefully you can see on my screen, there's this little border here with black and white. You can see that as I'm talking, it picks up the microphone audio here. Okay. And so I can stretch this screen out or make it bigger or smaller in order to make it cover everything. I'm going to have it cover my entire window here because I want to use the entirety of my desktop window. And I always want to, again, make sure that I do indeed look at this and make sure it's picking everything up. This will tell me my size. You are listed at a maximum time of 15 minutes unless you have an account. So you definitely may want to look into that if you need more than that time. But you have options. You can do just your screen. You can do just your webcam, which right now my other editing software is capturing that. Or you can do both if you want to put your webcam on the bottom. Okay. I'm going to stick it just to screen, which is how I do most of my school videos. And then when you're ready to record, you just click the little recording button. So let me go ahead and just open up Smart Notebook so I have a little bit of room to record something real quick. And get my tablet ready real fast. Okay, so I've got Smart Notebook. Maybe you want to record a lesson for something. I don't know. Everybody's favorite subject, of course, Algebra 2. And so if I want to record, I go to my little recorder guy here, and there's a little record button in the bottom left-hand corner. When I hit record, it's going to go ahead and give me a 3, 2, 1. And once I've got the 3, 2, 1 going as I do now, quite simply, I can do whatever it is I'm going to do. Maybe I want to talk about how to reduce these things, etc., and have some fun with that and say, hey, look, add multiply to C, add to B, etc. I can keep recording as long as I want. I have options afterwards. I can either pause the recording, at which point it'll not only tell me how long it's been, but I can either delete it if I made a mistake, or I can click done. If I click done, I have some options. I can edit the video and do all kinds of little effects to it, which if you need a little more control, you can play with. But for the purpose of today, as far as just a quick introduction, I can click Save/Upload. I can then go through and watch the video, make sure it's what I want. I'm not going to subject you guys to that since you had to watch me record it. I can add some music. There's some free stuff that I can use. Maybe I want to use something like this. Up to me. It'll import the audio. You guys can pick what you'd like. And then you have options. You can either save it as a video file, which is what I usually do because I like to keep a record of it on my computer and upload it to YouTube through their controller. But if you want to directly go to YouTube, you can click Upload to YouTube, and that'll bring up your little account directly, and then you can log in and upload it right directly. So it's just a little showing on how you can use Screencast-O-Matic to upload a video and create a screencast for teaching lessons. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. Have a great day.